swings for heads, and it's tails. They've decided to bat first and try and post a big total. One day into
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
a change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. New changes in the field as they are looking desperately for that wicket. Well judged by the batsman at the crease. A good lead by the batsman. Good stuff from the bowler. Bowls a shortish delivery this time. Looks like they're going to go up to the third umpire. That's going to need a keener pair of eyes. The wicky's nabbed it, but was that an edge? He swung it just a tad off centre. Wasn't expecting to miss that one. Could be a nick, but we'll need Ultra Edge Detect to confirm. It's nerve-wracking for both teams out here as they wait for Ultra Edge Detect to deliver a verdict. And he's safe! Bowled him! The batsman is gone. The bails are lit. What a delivery! He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. He whacks it over the fielder's heads. Bounces for 4. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. That's been sliced away for 6. What a cracking start. A boundary off his first encounter. Oh, that was a close one. Well contained. A smart effort by the bowler. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well done. He jumps back to safety. Was he in time? The decision is in favour of the batsman. Not out, says the umpire. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. He has slogged that straight down the ground. With a hop, skip and a jump of the ropes. Ball to the batsman. That's played so well by the batsman for a huge 6. That's a quick bit of legwork from these two. He's got a great arm and knows how to use it. What a throw! The batsman hooks and makes good contact with the ball. That was a judgment in the outfield. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. First ball boundary. A beautiful sweep to clean that ball up. The ball races away to the boundary. Fielders are making their move in the ground. There's no quarter for the batsman. Another scalp collected. A premature end to a promising start. Caught out. A new batsman.
Hey, move it!
Walking in. Hope he can save his team's hope. That's lofted for massive six. What a beauty. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. When the bowler's trying to play executioner, the umpire steps in as judge and jury. Tiny dot ball to end the over. He's blocked it straight down into the pitch. A good block to a challenging delivery. Not stopping for anyone. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders on the offside. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They have run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. Forcing the batsman to defend once again. They get nada. 4 more runs to end the over. A good over for the batting team. With soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. A solid defense to a great ball. hits and into the fence. That's an identified flying object into the stands for 6. He'd do well in a bar fight. That's one. Well, that's a dirty dozen for this soldier. 2 6s in a row. Batsman would be very pleased with that over. He goes for the hook shot and times it perfectly. He had less than a second to throw himself in front, and he makes it. What a save! Good effort from the fielding unit. He hits it a sharp throw. No need to run for it. A good shot selection drives the ball to the offside. He's scrambling back to the blocks and make it. The bails fly up, but the umpire's finger doesn't. He's safe. A quick couplet from the batter, and the bowler's not singing. A 6 to bring up his half century. That's terrific. Choose company, but falls at last. What a shot! The ball has pierced the fielders all the way. Huge shout from the bowler, but not out, says the umpire. Let's see what happens here. He's driven it splendidly through the covers. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. He's locked it in skyward. Is that going to cost him? He never saw that catch coming. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. No need to run for it. What a cracking start. Oh, that was a nasty nasty one. Well left. No happy ending. For the batsman at the end. Catapults it right back to the crease. Good throw. An acrobatic dive prevents the extra run. The bowler smiles in relief. Whacks it flat and hard to extra cover. Fielders are making their move in the ground. A hard smack sends the bowler a message. Keep doing that and I'll keep hitting you from... A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. That was a guaranteed four. It catapults it right back to the crease. Good throw. A quick couplet from the batter. And the bowler's not singing a happy tune. The batsman presses forward in defence. It doesn't seem to be timed well. He has to run hard on this one to be safe. The bowler has beaten the batsman with that delivery. It looks like it's going all the way, and it does. 4. He pulls it his way, and the ball responds like a slingshot. Batsman's error, fielder's joy. He has to anchor the innings and look to stay on till the end. To put up a good total. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. Took the pace off the ball with that sensational effort in the field there. He makes a perfect throw to return the ball close to the stumps. He jumps back to safety. Was he in time? The bails fly up, but the umpire's finger doesn't. He's safe. A quick coupling from the batter. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. This might be close. The batsman goes for the dive. The shouts are loud. Catch! That was caught with good judgment in the outfield. He needs to stay on and finish the game for his team now. No luck for the batsman at the end of that over. batsman has found the gap through the fielder to the deep square with a gentle push. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. And it's gone for a four. It's edged and runs away for the boundary. Well judged by the batsman at the crease. It's another dot ball in this over. The bowler will be pleased with that one. Four more runs to end the over.
Hey, move it!
Will this medium pacer bolt past the batting line? We'll know soon. He goes for a solid defense this time. With a hop, skip and a jump of the ropes. Four to the batsman. That was spotted so quickly by the fielder. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. That's going to need a keener pair of eyes. The wickies nabbed it, but was that an edge? The batsman is cutting it really close. There's no obvious edge here. The 10. Oh no. Last ball. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. He hits long and hard down the ground. Over the ropes it goes. Unbelievable stuff. He's got a great arm and knows how to use it. What a throw. Here. He dives. A new man in. Time for him to up the scoring rate. A some clever use of the wrist from the batsman. He drives that one down to the onside. Excellent delivery. The batting side are no doubt getting frustrated. A textbook cover drive. Simply gorgeous. That's a fine running between the wickets.